Adventure Worldwide. Today it's Bonfire Night. It's the 5th of November. Remember, 5th of November. It's Bonfire Night. I didn't go to a bonfire display because my local one got cancelled. So all I could do is go outside and film some fireworks for you all. Hope you enjoy it. And here is some of the lovely fireworks from in my garden from home. Hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the bonfire night firework around my area from my garden. And I'm sorry again, my local bonfire got cancelled. Anyway, don't forget to have your own adventures and have fun on your own adventure. And I will see you next time on Adventure Worldwide. Bye!